The Oahu real estate market stats for March 2026 have just been released, and this past month we saw a sharp surge in single-family home sales while condo demand softened slightly. Prices continue to hold steady in both segments, but inventory remains tight on the single-family home side and more balanced for condos, creating very different opportunities depending on what you're looking to buy or sell. I'll break it all down coming up next. Aloha and welcome to the Oahu Market Report for March 2026 by Sotheby's International Realty. I'm Scott Startzman with the High Estates team and 2-decade Oahu realtor. The single-family home market saw a strong increase in activity in March. There were 260 single-family home sales, up 26.2% compared to March of last year, showing a significant increase in demand as we moved into the spring market. The median sales price rose to just under $1.2 million, up 3.4% year over year, continuing the steady upward pressure we've been seeing in home values. Homes are taking slightly longer to sell with a median of 21 days on the market compared to just 15 days last year, but still moving at a relatively fast pace. Inventory remains tight with 691 homes actively available for sale, which is 10.6% fewer homes than we had a year ago. As I always like to point out, when you compare this to pre-pandemic levels where we had well over 1,600 homes on the market, inventory today is still extremely limited. That limited supply continues to support pricing for sellers. Because of this, sellers are still maintaining strong pricing power, receiving on average 98.6% of their original list price and 26% of homes sold above the asking price, meaning roughly 1 out of every 4 homes is still seeing competitive bidding. All of these indicators point to a competitive single-family home market. Even though homes are taking a few more days to sell compared to last year, demand is clearly stronger, and when the right property comes on the market, buyers are still stepping up aggressively to secure it. I've written several offers for buyers over the asking price recently for different properties. On the condo side, however, the story is quite different. There were 351 condo sales in March, down 4.9% compared to the same time last year, showing a slight pullback in demand. The median condo price came in at $510,000, up 2% year over year, which reflects modest price growth. Condos are also taking longer to sell, with a median of 43 days on market, up from 40 days last year and more than double the time it takes for a single-family home to sell. Inventory on the condo side remained relatively flat, with 2,294 units currently available for sale, essentially unchanged from last year. This gives buyers more option and more leverage. Condos sold for 97.3% of their original list price, and about 14% of condo sales closed above asking price, which is actually an increase from last year, but still shows that most buyers have room to negotiate. This combination of steady inventory, longer days on market, and softer demand is creating solid opportunities for buyers in the condo market right now. Another key indicator to watch is pending sales. Single-family home pending sales declined 7.5% over the same time last year, while condo pending sales dropped 6.2%, suggesting that overall buyer activity slowed slightly in March, likely influenced by interest rates and other market factors. In summary, we're continuing to see a two-speed market on Oahu. The single-family home market is seeing strong momentum with increased sales activity, limited inventory, and continued competition among buyers. The condo market is more balanced, offering buyers more choices, more time to make decisions, and greater negotiating power. As always, the market is not the same across every neighborhood, price point, or building, so strategy matters. If you're thinking about buying, selling, or investing this year, understanding how these numbers apply specifically to you is key. Let me know your thoughts below. Thanks again for watching my video. Once again, I'm Scott Startzman with the High Estates team and Sotheby's International Realty. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more market updates like this. I've also included a link to the full March market report in the description below, and you can always learn more about Oahu real estate at hiestates.com, and feel free to contact us for all your Oahu real estate needs. Aloha and I'll see you next month.